Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to High Universal Cut HUC. So guys, this haircut is coming down. Actually, this haircut I normally barb him afro. So today he wants the hair to come down a bit. Now I'm going to use this hairstyle to show us when to use step 4, step 2 and step 1. Now I told us that whenever you want to cut your customer hair, maybe the customer's hair is bushy, don't be afraid of bushy hair. When you know how to use the step properly, you will not be afraid of bushy hair. Someone commented that he's always afraid of cutting someone that has a very bushy hair. You shouldn't be afraid or whatever. Once you know how to use it properly, all this thing will just be easy for you. Do you understand? So this hair now is going to come down a bit. Watch how I'm going to do it. I will still blend it afro. So don't forget, today is your first time I see my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. And once you subscribe, make sure you turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. So let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do, as usual, is to comb the hair out thoroughly. Once you comb the hair out thoroughly, then you discover how the hair texture is and see how the hair grows. Do you understand? Remember that I told us that all this hair that you see in front of this place, they all started from here. This is where all this hair sprouted from. So be very, very careful. That is why you see sometimes if you don't know how to use your step and if you don't know how to blend, sometimes you see someone's hair will chop off because hair is very, very delicate. Do you understand? So make sure you watch it very well. Comb the hair out to see how the hair grows so that you know how to texture the hair. And make sure that you are not rushing the hair. I told us that barbering requires what? It requires patience. If you don't have patience, you can't be a barber. And barbering is all about calculation. You must be very, very calculative. All this thing that I just showed us now, these steps. Do you know that this you are solving mathematics? If you are not calculative enough, you will not know when to use this step 4, this step 2, and this step 1. So guys, give us a thumbs up if you are learning something from this video. So after you comb the hair thoroughly out, now you stay behind your customer to look how his hair texture is. This is where a lot of us make mistake. And some of you that been saying that I'm talking too much, that video is long. If you know that you can't exercise patience to learn something, just pass. Do you understand? You want something and you cannot exercise patience, you cannot have that patience to watch something and learn it once and for all. There is no how you spend your time to learn this, to watch this video to the end, that you will not be able to barb this kind of hair. So stop being in a haste whenever you want to achieve something, whenever you want to learn something that you don't know before. Exercise patience, watch it and learn. And make sure that as you are watching, I know there are some professionals here. If you see me I'm not doing it right, correct me in the comment section so that I will learn. You can't just be learning from me alone. I will not learn from you. Tell me that thing that I'm not doing right so that I will learn from you too. So I've done combing the hair. Now he wants the hair to come down a bit. So I'm going to make use of the step 4. You know why I use this step 4 is because I don't want to go. I don't want it to come down more than the way he wants it. Do you understand? Because you have to use the highest step to be bringing it slow. And make sure you're asking your customer if the level is okay by him or not. Don't go and overdo. Don't go and do the one that is in your mind. Do what your customer wants so that next time he will come. Because if you are doing your own, he will not come. He will rate you that you don't know how to barb. Do you understand? Follow what he wants you to do. Let's go. Now I'm using this step 4. Now you insert the step 4. You insert your clipper into it. Make sure you put it on low cut level, blade level. Open the gel, let it be on low cut level. I've taught you guys this. Open the blade, let it be on low cut level. Don't put it on skin level yet. Put it on low cut level. Do you understand? If you know you are learning something from this video now, make sure you share. Let other people to benefit from it. So once you have put it, watch it. Follow this hair. Most of us don't know how to bring hair down. See, you bring it the way you normally comb hair. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So that it will be uniform. Do you understand? Let's go. You follow it like this. Remember this thing. Most barber will not tell you this thing. That's why I told you that I don't want to go with what I know. Once you put your step into your clipper, make sure you are using your finger to hold it. The reason is because if you should carry hair like this, maybe the hair did not comb it very well, and this step one just full out, that blade loper will chop off the hair. That's why you have to use your finger to hold it. Hold it very firmly, hold it tightly, hold it very, very well. You see what I'm doing, guys? Don't forget to like, comment and share. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know that you are doing something very, very educational. I know it's not easy to make video, but take your time to watch this video to the end. You surely learn something from it. You see, the front side, I've taken it to the front, right? I told her that it's going like this, it's going like this, it's going like this. Hold it like this. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Remember, I told us that barbering, once you have Z in anything that you are doing, the thing will look simple and easy to you. Do you understand? So if you don't have Z in barbering, if you like watch it for 100 years to come, you will not understand it. But if you have passion for it, even if you watch half, the thing will just be entering into you. This is what I'm doing, guys. You see how the level is going. Remember what I told you. You see, this is the center of the hair. If I do not follow it very well and I do it like the hair will go down more than this side, so you have to follow it accordingly. See what I'm doing, guys? Sorry guys, I told you to be praying for us so that I will have money and get a rotatory chair. I know you are not seeing what I'm doing here. Had it been that we have a rotatory chair and I will start a place and all this that I'm doing, you'll be seeing it, I'll just be rotating the chair. Do you understand? So you have to bear with us. Let's keep on managing what we have for now. By God, the next year is going to be very, very sweet for us all. So can you see it? Watch what I'm doing, guys. Watch the way my hand is moving. Watch the way I'm controlling the clipper. All these things, they are the fundamentals that you need to know about barbering. For those of you that watch my video and start asking me to do this kind of video, I've told you guys that once you finish watching one video, check my playlist. You see, I've done a lot of videos. Check if I've done the one that is in your mind that you want me to do. Not that you just come and tell me to do this time, whereas you have not checked the playlist if I've done it or not. Most questions that you people have been asking, I've done the video. Go to my playlist, you see all of them. Do you understand, guys? Now, after you have brought the hair down, finish, make sure you comb it again. Make sure you comb it again. Remember, I told us that if you are combing hair, comb it like this. Do you understand? And make sure you ask your customer if the level is okay by him or not, if it's still going to come down or not. Do you understand, guys? So, how far you go to corner?
No, okay.
Okay. Now, I just asked him now if the hair should still come down or not, but he said it's okay. He said it's okay by him. Now, before I trim the hair, I did one video, right? That one I did not blend the hair, I just trim everything. Everything was uniform, right? But this one now, I'm still going to barb the afro. So I will not trim the hair yet. Let me first create the afro guidelines before I will do what? Before I will trim it. So how are we going to do that? You all know that one, right? So let's go. And two, make sure that it's not everyone that that likes the first guideline to be skin. Like this one now, you go come am no be skin. Now make sure you ask your customer, even the one that you have been barbing, sometimes you may decide to change the hairstyle, right? So this one now, you don't want it to be skin, the first guideline to be skin. It's going to be just normal blade. So what you need to do is to open the blade, put it on low cut level, you create the first guideline. Watch it. Make sure you are pressuring it very well. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush it. You see, we are not skinning the first guideline because he doesn't want it to come down. Pressure you very well. Follow it accordingly. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush the hair. Yeah. So can you see the first guideline is what? Normal low cut blade. Is normal low cut blade. So the second guideline now is going to be what? On step 1. Do you understand? But before we do that, I want us to use step 2 to create the blending shape for step 1. Because do you know why I say we should use step 2? Because step 2 can go for it. Do you understand? You can go for it. Let's use step 2 to create the blending for what? For the step 1. So let's go. Still put it on what? On open blade, low cut level. Use step 2 first. You see how I'm flipping it up? Make sure you are using your finger to hold this step. For if this step should pull out, the hair, you chop the hair,